Hello, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Today we're going to be doing a math trick. Today is Friday, so I know I promised to do a math trick every Friday, but if I try to do that every Friday, I might exhaust my tricks. So I'm going to just do it twice in a month. So today we're going to be looking at percentage, how to solve percentages in 3 seconds. Okay, so let's say we have an example. 20 we have 20% of 70. What would this be? This is my first video with the digital pen, so I'm still an amateur in this. I think in the next videos to come, I should get better. Okay, so don't mind my handwriting right here. Okay, okay. So if we are to do this 20% of 70, the easiest way to do this, all you need to do is divide 20 by 10 and divide 70 by 10, where this would cancel out and this would also cancel out, and we're left with what, 2 and 7. So what we'll do is we'll multiply 2 and 7. We'll multiply this 2, and what is 2 times 7? That is what, 14. So 20% of 70 is what, 14. You know, percent is just the measure of a number out of 100. You can see percent, you have per, then your cent is your 100. So it's a measure of a number out of 100. Okay, so where we say we're looking for 20% of 70, so we find what is the percent, the 20% of what, 70. Okay, which here the most fastest way to solve this is what, just saying cancel out by 0, cancel 0, and divide both sides by 10 and multiply the remainder. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's erase this. Okay, what if we have this? We have find 30% of 150. What would this give us? So as I said, divide both sides by 10. Divide this by 10, divide this by 10, where this will cancel out, okay? And this will cancel out. So we're left with 3 and 15. And what is 3 times 15? 3 times 15 is what? 45. So 30% of 150 is what? 45. Okay, so let me do another example here. Let's clean this out. Okay, what if we have find 80% of 200? What will be our answer in 3 seconds? We'll cancel out. Instead of doing your division, just cancel. 10, if you divide something by 10, just 1 0 would what, cancel out. So what are we left with? We're left with what, 8 and 20. And what is 8 times 20? That will give us what, 160. Okay, so this is it. So let's try another one here to show you how fast this is, that you can do percentages in what, 3 seconds, just 3 seconds. Okay, so here let's say we have 60% of 700. What would that give us? Cancel this, and 6 times 70. You're just saying 6 times what, 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Add the 0 to 42, so we have what, 420. So you can see how fast you can solve percentage in what, 3 seconds. I know you might think that this is quite easy. What if we have something like, let me clean this up quickly. What if we have something like this? You have something like 45% of 62, or let's say we have 72 here. Okay, let's say we have a bigger number, 72. So how are we going to treat this? I would do a video. There's another video I'm going to do after this to teach you on how to treat this within 3 seconds. I know if we divide by 10, this will be 4.5 and what, 7.2, where we are left with what, 4.5 times 7.2. It's not fast to do that particular multiplication, you get. So I'm going to do a video. Just watch out for our next video on Friday math trick, and you'll find out how to do this within 3 seconds. And by the way, the answer for this is what? This is 32.4. So see you in our next video where we'll take on another math trick. Thank you for staying tuned to DTW tutorials. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. You are destined to win. Bye.